I think we actually learned this in Houston, maybe. The first time. I feel like with the energy you guys have right now, tonight's going to be an amazing show. Yeah. So hope you guys are ready. Hey, Houston, are you ready? Don't you? Hey, Houston, one more time. You ready? Alright, we'll see you guys tonight. Thank you.